If it's not on my phone, it doesn't exist in my view. So that's your answer to digitization.
We have massive change coming down the pipeline here. The message for banks and all financial institutions is you better understand what's going on here.
The digital world is essential, and it is a great opportunity. This year for the European Bank Federation conference we wanted to talk about digital. We worked for a long time on our digital blueprint, and we really wanted to present that because we believe that banks are innovators rather than conservative.
All the banks now are saying we've got to move to a real-time, almost free network structure, and that's completely changing the old infrastructures that were geared towards global counterparty exchange to instantaneous peer-to-peer exchange. We're moving into the Internet of Things. You can't have the next generation internet without the financial exchange system being transformed.
When banks start to fully embrace the digital opportunity, they will get the chance to expand their business and go beyond actually pure financial services. In principle, banks could really become not a product company or product-driven institution, but a services institution. And then there's no limit to that.
One of the biggest growth markets we have that is generating jobs and economic output is a customer segment that the bank has neglected over the last 10 years. SMEs, innovations, startups, and often also consumer lending. This is something that the banking industry still has to get to grips with, that the educated citizen now has a right to decide.
The next step is really to go to build new digital services and new business model even based on digital assets and capabilities like data and so on. And that's really a business opportunity here that I think banks are in actually really good position to take advantage of.
There's so many thousands of fintech startups that are coming into financial services that are specializing, that are disintermediating, that are trying to disrupt. I don't think they will, because long term what's going to happen is they will merge into the institutions. They will become institutionalized themselves. But right now it's really, the reason why it's very exciting, because we're seeing this massive dynamics of new change, new structure, which the new guys are challenging the old guys, and the old guys are saying to the regulators, try and stop them beating us up, please.